Just below the northwest side of the Burnside Bridge, construction begins on a massive hole.
We're going down 125 feet.
And when they reach that depth, steel forms will be lowered and filled with concrete.
We're going to test the end product when we're done here drilling and placing concrete, and we're going to be able to determine if these foundations will be able to resist a seismic event if we do have an earthquake here in the Pacific Northwest.
Ryan Rucker is the project manager for the test shaft project.
A lot of steel, a lot of concrete.
The 125-foot hole and concrete foundation will be fitted with specialized equipment that engineers can monitor to see how it'll react to a simulated earthquake. Rucker says the depth is necessary because it's where the type of soil is located that the real foundation of the bridge will sit on.
We have what's called load cells assemblies, which are these big steel drums that will press up and down on the shaft and help try to mimic what we would see in an earthquake.
That's one of the major design features of the new Burnside Bridge, an earthquake-ready bridge that will serve as a major crossing point should the big one hit. Currently, no bridge crossing the Willamette River is seismically safe.
It's really important that we have a crossing that can go from one side of the Willamette to the other to be able to move goods and people.
Rucker says that once the test confirms that the foundation will work, it'll get buried. It's not part of the bridge.
This is merely a test.
A test to prove what they believe to be correct. A 10-foot diameter hole, 125 feet down, filled with steel and concrete that will survive the big one.
I think this test shaft will go off without a hitch.
All right, so the concrete in the hole should be poured by this weekend. The work at the test site will last until early May, and they're pretty confident only one hole will be needed to do the testing. Construction on the new Burnside Bridge won't start, though, until 2027. They say it should be finished by 2031. Guys.
And you know what? I appreciate their optimism. Thank you, Devin.